So today we are going to be making no-bake cookie dough bites, and these are lemon. So these, you don't have to put them in the oven. You'll just microwave some of the things, and they are safe to eat raw. They don't have like any egg stuff things that would harm you. And these are really easy to make. You can make them in like 15 minutes. So I'm going to show you guys all of the supplies that we will be needing. So first you will need a third cup of cream cheese. You'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, margarine or spread, whatever that's stuff is. And then you'll need a little 1/3 cup to scoop out your cream cheese, unless you have like a specific cream cheese bowl that has a 1/3 cup. And then, so first you will need a bowl to mix your cream cheese and your butter in. You will need another bowl to mix the drizzle in, and this one, it comes with some drizzle, so we didn't have to go out and buy it. We also have this bowl to mix after we're done mixing like the cream cheese and the butter, we'll put that stuff into this bowl and we'll put the mix in there. And we have this big bowl right here to put all of our cookie dough balls in. So I'm gonna read the instructions for y'all. So first you will place the cream cheese and the butter in a microwave safe bowl, and you'll microwave that for 20 seconds. And then you'll empty the cookie dough mix and you'll get that mix and this mix from the cream cheese and the butter, and you'll put it into a bowl and you'll mix it all up, and you'll want to make sure it's stirred very well until very well blended, and then and it's really nice and doughy. And then after that, you'll take out just like a little bit of dough each time, and you'll shape them into balls, and then you'll put them into your bowl or your box. And so that's really all you have to do for the cookie dough bites. And then for the drizzle, you want to empty it into a small microwave safe bowl, and you'll put that on in the microwave for a minute. And then after that, you'll want to stir it up to make sure it's really nice and melted and pourable. And then after that, you will drizzle that topping over your cookie dough bites, and then you'll refrigerate all of the cookie dough bites with the drizzle on it. So yeah, we're gonna get started.
Do I get on?
Yeah.
Is this closed?
Yeah.
Is it closed now?
No.
Huh.
Have to like press down on it.
Well, that's...
Okay guys, so I forgot to tell you guys this, but before you start making anything when you're baking, you want to make sure that you have clean hands, and you want to make sure you wash your hands with soap and water like you do after you go to the bathroom. So yeah, you want to make sure you wash your hands. Okay, now that I have my hands washed, get the cream cheese. Can you help me, please? I couldn't get it open. Thank you. Can I use this to put it in here?
Yes, that's why it works best with a bent handle to get things out of the container.
You want make sure you put in a full third of a cup. Don't think, oh, I think it's full. Make sure it's actually.
Right, that's good.
You can also smooth it down to make sure you know that it's full. See? A little bit more here. Okay. And we'll shake it down. A little bit more? Okay. Okay, is that good?
And your bowl so you can microwave it.
And you'll put all of that third of cream cheese into your bowl. Okay. And then next you're going to get your margarine or your butter. And you'll do two. Yeah, okay.
2 tablespoons. That's good.
Okay. There we go. Okay. And then, does it say to mix it? It just says to place it in there. So should I mix it?
And the microwave for how long?
20 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna mix it. Should I just mix it with this? Okay. Mix the cream cheese and butter all nice and together. Okay guys, so now when you're done with mixing the dough, it will look like that. So I'm going to be using, to make the balls, because now we gotta make them into balls, I'm going to be using a 1 tablespoon to kind of like help it get a little bit more bally. You know what I mean? So yeah, just get some, smush it along the sides. And you'll want to take it out, roll them up in your hand, and voila, you got a little lemon cookie ball. You can make them however big you want, however small you want. But yeah, there's no really guaranteed on how many this will make because, again, it depends on how big or small you make. So yeah, I don't know if I told you guys this, but these are lemon cookies. So yeah. Okay guys, so I just got finished rolling them out and I got about like literally a dozen. So I don't know if you guys can but yeah, they're about like oh my gosh, they are about like that big each. So oh, I did 3 rows of 4. So yeah, now we're gonna get onto the drizzle. Put that there. So we got this one pre-cut, so nothing bad would happen. Then how long do you put this in for?
It doesn't say. We'll just put it in for about 10 seconds and we'll go from there.
Yeah. 1 minute.
We'll watch it because that's a lot for that small amount of candy.
Should I put it in for 30 at first?
Just put one and we'll stop it if we think we need to check it.
So while your drizzle is doing that stuff, you can put things away if you would like to. Have fun with the process. Can't talk.
And the one main thing you want to remember when you are doing any cooking project is enjoy it and have fun.
Yeah. Because if you stress about it and you're like seriously focused on it, you won't let it be as fun. Give me a check on it.
Yeah.
Yes, I even melted.
What do you think would be better to split that with maybe a fork?
Does it say on the package? Oh, it says to use the had a 1-inch tip from a kind of like a brown bag.
Well, then you don't really need a bowl. We could have, well, you don't really want to melt it in the bag, so be careful, it may be hot.
It didn't melt.
Didn't melt?
No.
You'll be surprised. Bring it over. If you want this one.
Do we have to stir it up? Oh, there we go. There we go. It's still in its
Yeah, if it's
form.
melted, we can always add chocolate, because we're using chocolate disc. Sometimes chocolate can melt and it won't necessarily be as thin as you need it, and you do not add water. People might try that, but what you can do is add just a small amount of cooking oil, and that won't bother the texture of your chocolate, but it will make it thinner. So you might try that and see if it's going to work now that it's melted down some more. Pardon?
Where's the cooking oil?
Do you think it's thin enough?
I don't know.
There, it's gonna. We can put some in, but we only want to put in maybe a capful.
Okay. Okay, so we just added like not even a full cupful. I'm just like
Maybe half a teaspoon.
half a teaspoon, and it really makes it a lot more thinner. So yeah, we're gonna use what are these things called?
Oh, that's a coffee stir.
Coffee stir, and we're going to just get a little bit on it and then to the crust.
Let's see how that does. If it doesn't work, we can use a fork or
Oops.
And you can always come back, and if you have extra,
Mhm.
drizzle some more and make it like you want. That's a good job.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, do one more. Hold it up over the thing a little bit. You can just go like that quicker before it starts. And this is the part where you have fun.
Yeah, and you make a mess.
Yes. Well, Emma's going to clean that up.
Yeah, we will. Okay, so we're gonna show you guys. I don't know if you can. I don't want to tip it, but that's really
better.
what it looks like.
Yes.
So yeah, you'll want to. Are we gonna put them in the fridge?
Yes.
So you'll put them in the fridge. There's no space. Okay, so you want to put them in the fridge for like 15 minutes until it's set. The white chocolate it doesn't take very long, probably like 5-10 minutes. But we don't know really about the cookie dough. We don't know how long it'll take for that. So yeah, try 15 minutes. Check it every so often, like every 15 minutes. And yeah.
We'll be back with samples.
Yeah. Okay, so they are done and being in the fridge. Does anybody want to test taste in this room?
Taste test.
Taste test.
I'll taste test. It's time. It's pretty good.
What do they taste like?
It's good, strong lemon flavor. Nice and cold.
Can I try?
I would rate it an 8 out of 10.
That's really good. Why wouldn't you rate it 10 out of 10?
It's not like the best cookie I've ever had in my entire life, but it's good.
But it's a no-bake.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a good thing.
Okay. Thanks for watching
Pretty
this
solid.
video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And comment down below any other videos you want us to do.
Because I'll eat everything they make, so.